Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video, I am addressing you about a topic that it's actually like a dual topic. Okay, the first the first topic, but they're related. They're related. So the I try and keep the topics here clean. I don't like to swear, even though in my personal life I have been known to let loose with some colorful language, but. Uh, If I had to give a non-law topic to this video, it would be opinions are like bleep holes. Everybody's got one, right? And the main topic is, and I'll at the end of the video I'll tell you what motivated me to shoot this that doesn't really have a topic as to law. It has to do with the channel and reactions to some of my videos, okay? So what's the point? What's the point of this video? You can't let people who tell you negative things about lawyers, the justice system, personal injury cases stop you from making a claim if you got hurt at work, if you got hurt in a car crash, all that stuff. So I have, every year I run into people who do tell me that they didn't want to call a lawyer, they delayed calling a lawyer, they talked to their family member and they said the lawyer's going to take all the money. Now listen, I'm going to be honest with you. There are lawyers out there where somebody calls me and tells me the case settled for $50,000 and I'm only getting $2,000. I don't, under any circumstances, I don't know how something like that happens, but I mention it only because, first of all, you should understand it never happens at my office. Okay? That's number one. Number two, it doesn't happen at the lawyers who I'm friends with. But evidently it does happen out there where lawyers take all of the fee and all of the case costs, and the injured person gets nothing or close to nothing. But I don't understand it. I've been known to cut my fees in circumstances like that when, in the rare occasion where there's not enough money to go around. But my point is, I can understand why somebody who had that experience with an injury lawyer would then give advice to you or someone saying, injury law is a scam, the lawyer's going to cheat you, you can't trust the lawyer's not going to, he's going to drop your case at the last minute, it's a waste of time. I'm here to tell you, I've been doing this for 25 years, and I know it sounds self-serving, but you can't listen to opinions like that. Injury lawyers give free consultations, and one of the reasons why is that time is against you in an injury case, right? The sooner you get an attorney involved in the case who can advise you and help you and tell you the things to do and the things to avoid, it's very, very important in an injury case. So just because they themselves had a bad experience, don't go back to that lawyer who gave them the bad experience. There's a bunch of injury lawyers out there. In my experience, the vast majority of them are professional and decent human beings. And if you're talking to one that you're getting a bad vibe from, talk to a different one. Injury lawyers offer free consultations, and that's the number one reason why you can't let somebody who had a bad experience, or your cousin or your friend or your uncle or some person who thinks they know something about injury law. That's the other thing that amazes me. I talk to people who delayed in calling me, and then there are problems with the case that developed because nothing was done early on, right? And some of these folks I'll talk to, and they're like, oh, well, my cousin knows a lot about injury cases. And I ask, are they a lawyer? No. Are they a paralegal? No. Are they a doctor? No. Do they work for an insurance company? No. Then why do you think they know anything about injury law and what you should and shouldn't be doing? And why are you taking their advice that you shouldn't call a lawyer and get an absolutely free, no obligation consultation? It doesn't make you a bad person, but in this world, we live in a world where if you don't stick up for your rights and take steps to protect yourself, the world will chew you up and spit you out. Now, not always, not always. There are a bunch of kind people in the world who don't want to take advantage of other people, but insurance companies run injury cases and they'll chew you up and spit you out. They're not just going to pay what's fair. They're not just going to believe you. You have to present a strong front and put a case together, and that's what a lawyer can do for you. And again, virtually every injury lawyer I know offers a free consultation. I certainly do. You can call me anytime, night or day, at 312-500-4500. It's a free call. No charge at all for my time. Obviously, it's a regular phone number, so most phone plans are unlimited at this point, but if you pay by the minute, you do get charged by the minute for the phone call, just through your phone carrier. It's a regular telephone call, but my point is there's no charge to talk to me or my staff about your situation, even if you never hire us, even if you don't have a case, even if you just had a question, it's perfectly okay to call. That number's 312-500-4500. Now, the second reason why I'm shooting this video on this topic, which is essentially like everyone, opinions are like bleep holes. Everyone's got one. So I released a video last week, and I had my usual few nice comments. One person said a nice thing about the video. Another couple people had questions and ideas for future videos that I wrote down on my list that I will shoot. But I had a comment that really, I'm going to be honest with you, it pissed me off. So a person with no videos herself on YouTube wrote a long, several paragraph response to one of my videos criticizing the video editing and telling me that I should record B-roll and sound effects, and I should edit the video better, and I should do jump cuts and cut scenes and all this stuff. And, gave me a thumbs down. And then other people jumped in, and they were all negative. They're like, yeah, this is garbage video editing, and this needs B-roll, and this needs that, and this isn't professionally edited. And so I just wanted to address it. Like, there were two angels sitting on my shoulder. One said, fire back. The other one said, let it go, right? And I decided not to fire back, but I like to be honest, and I want to be honest with you. I don't video edit these videos at all. I shoot them based on topics that real people ask me, and I give honest, real answers. And I will tell you, the response is overwhelmingly positive. I get 1 million likes, subscribes. I get 1 million people saying nice things in the comment section. But, the funny thing is, like, even one of the guys who was in that, so one person left that negative comment, and then we got 4 people under that one who left nasty comments, and one guy left a comment that hit the nail on the head. This person has a kind heart, or just sees something that these other people who just wanted to jump in on the negativity didn't see, which was, namely, he said, well, maybe it's hard for certain people to edit video. And then he said something nice. Versus all these other people, 3 of them were like, oh, this video editing is trash. And then one of the people said something like, oh, when you first start watching the video based on the title, it's awesome, but 2 minutes in, you're like, oh, this is BS. And, I'll tell you the same thing I put in the comments section to them. I'm not a professional video editor. I am not getting rich from my YouTube videos. I'm shooting videos on YouTube with the very little free time that I have, using my 25 years of experience to help injured people. And the vast majority of people I help never become my clients, never even call me, never, I never make a dime off it. And I'm over 300 videos now. And listen, I know Some of you are going to be like, oh, poor lawyer, poor baby. Somebody said something negative about your videos and you're mad about it. Well, nobody likes negative feedback, but I want you guys to know that what you get from me is real. I look at what some of the other lawyers are doing, and they're doing all this crazy video editing. And my gut reaction, like I talk slow, I speak deliberately. I don't do it like super fast, like a car salesman. If you've been hurt, call me, blah, 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 blah. Like, I don't do that. That's not me. That's not the kind of relationship I like to have with my clients and the people who watch me on video. Could I do it? Yeah, I could do it. I could easily hire a video editor to put cartoons up in the video and titles and jump cuts and all that. And maybe that's more popular with the younger viewers who all the marketing research says has a shorter attention span. But to me, if I was going to hire a lawyer, I would want to know, is this guy legit? Is he a real person? Or is he a marketing clown? Is he a marketing guy who's just a clown dancing for the crowd and, he's going to sign up the case and he's going to act like a clown? Or is he a real legit guy who's really trying to give me real legit answers here? So I leave it to the viewers to decide whether I'm a clown like some of the other guys out there on the internet or whether I'm legit. I promise you I don't make any money on my YouTube videos, and I promise you I am damned busy. And so I shoot the videos the way I do. Earlier in my career, I did hire video editors, and I did shoot videos that were more of the style of the day. And, it really, you just blend in. You blend in just like every other, dancing clown, trying to get cases, trying to impress everybody and get attention. I'd rather have this kind of relationship, a real, you know what I'm about, I know what you're about, you need help, the answers I give you are like money in the bank. So anyway, I ultimately just decided to shoot this video to let you guys know that could I do it? I don't have time to do it. When I was younger, I taught myself video editing, but I don't have time to do it. I barely have time to shoot these videos. I got to start getting in the habit of shooting videos daily again because I'm running out of videos, but not topics, thanks to you guys. So, anyway, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it was boring. I'm probably not going to get 1 million likes on this one. I'm probably not going to get 1 million views on this one. But for the people who are subscribers, who have been following me for a while now and have a sense of who I am, my point is, I'm not going to close my YouTube channel because a couple of people who don't have any videos on their channel and are just going online to troll people, I'm not going to change what I do because I'm dedicated to what I do. And like I said, I'm going to keep releasing videos because a bunch of people watch them and enjoy them. If you're one of the people who don't like how slow I talk, you don't like that there's no fancy editing, watch a different video. There's 1 million lawyers out there. Watch somebody else's videos. You don't like it. Unless you want to pay the video editor, if you want to pay my video editor for me, reach out. But the truth is, I don't think these videos need to be video edited. Maybe a little bit here and there when the audio is bad, or if I got smudges on the lenses, or stuff like that, which does happen because I shoot these last minute impromptu. When I'm in the car and I have some time, I shoot a video. So anyway, thank you so much for watching the videos, commenting on the videos, asking your questions. Thank you so much for reaching out to me when you need a lawyer, or the referrals. I get a lot of people who watch my videos and send their buddy or their brother or sister or daughter or son or mother or father when they need a legit lawyer. So I do appreciate that. Anything I can do for you or your family, please don't hesitate to call 312-500-4500. As always, if you note the comment section below, you'll see that I have 2 really cool tools on my website for you, whether you need a lawyer right now or not. One is called the Case Cash Calculator. Tells you what your case might be worth in settlement value. The other one is called the good case calculator. It tells you whether you might have a good case or whether you might have a case with some challenges, right? Either way, great tools. I built those myself. Third party didn't build them. And so I built them for you so that you get good information, custom tailored to your case. Best part is they're free. Links in the description on my website. Use them as many times as you want. I'm getting tremendous positive feedback from people from these tools. So check them out if you have any question about an injury case, but you're not quite ready to talk to a lawyer. Best part is 100% free and takes you 15 seconds flat. Here's how it works. 7 multiple choice questions that you answer right off the top of your head. 15, 20 seconds later, you have custom information about your injury situation for free, no lawyer to talk to. So check those out. I've got, as I mentioned, lots of videos on my YouTube channel now. Check those out if you would like to. What else? Please like and subscribe the video. And if you really want to do me a favor, very competitive market. If you enjoy my videos, enjoy the free advice I give, or if you're a current former client or we ever spoke and you don't mind doing me a favor, there's something you can do that's super easy, but an invaluable favor to me. If there's a link in the description where you can give me a 5-star review on Google. All you do is click the link. It takes you to the page on your phone, tablet, or computer. Hit 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit. You're done like that, but it really helps me because, as I said, my only business is representing injured people in injury cases. So I don't make money off YouTube. I don't make money any other way. I'm an injury lawyer who represents people, and I shoot these videos as extras to help injured people understand the process, right? Now, some of my topics are a little esoteric. Some of my topics are a little, you know, not, I know a million people aren't going to like the one video. Like I just did a video on like a particular kind of wrist, or I'm about to shoot a video on a particular kind of wrist injury. What are the chances that that's ever going to be a video that a million people watch? No, it's not. But a few people will watch it and a few people will appreciate it. And I shoot those kinds of videos anyway. That should tell you where my heart is. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you or anyone in your family needs help, has a question, please don't hesitate. 312-500-4500. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care.